You can see my kitchen is crowded from canning. It's harvest time. Walk in the Woods produced some chicken of the woods mushroom growing on a cherry tree right at the base where one of the branches were broken. And it's recommended not to pick these off of conifers. Cut the mushroom in about a 1/2 inch wide strips. You want to cook the mushroom for about 10 minutes. You want some water in your pan. And because there's so much mushroom, you can cut away any of the pieces that seem to be a little stiffer. Then it'll leave you with tender morsels. I like to steam them a bit, helps them cook quicker. It's been about 10 minutes. You want to remove the lid. You want to put about a tablespoon of oil, a dab of butter. Kick the mushrooms aside. Add garlic and saute this garlic. This will put the garlic flavor in the oil. Add your onions. As soon as you see them caramelizing, then it's time to mix the mushroom. And add your salt and pepper. I don't use salt, so no salt in mine. Finished. about 25 minutes. I picked this about 30 minutes ago. Really nice. A little bit of rice with it. That bit that I cooked is enough for two. I only took half of the mushroom. We saved the bigger bracket for later. Very tender. Look how tender this is. Wonderful meal. Took about 25 minutes to cook. A little bit of prepping, minimal. Worth taking a walk in the woods. Thanks for watching, my friends. Bye-bye.